we're assembling the Birdhouse box card. So this box card has only one insert, and I'm going to start by assembling the bird. Let me just push this up out of the way a little bit. So here are the pieces for the bird. This really needs a dauber. I had used that color for something else. Let me get a fresh sponge here. Let me take this one off. That's the wrong color. Too much. Obviously, I have not used this color before because it's very inky. Okay. Well, I just have to live with what I did. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes when you ink, it's not your intended result. So you just want to line this piece on first. Next piece you want to put on is the beak. The beak is also the color of the eye. And then I think I want to pop up my wing. So I'm going to pop it up. And I'm going to pop up the front part of it, glue down the back like that. Almost looks like he's shrugging. Okay, let's remove these flowers here for a minute and our roof. I don't want to put those together just yet because I want to see where I want them to be. Did I lose the center to my flower? I'm sure it will turn up somewhere. Oh, I don't know how I got way over there. Found it on the floor. So those are ready. Once I'm ready for them, let's go ahead and put these together. This is for your sentiment on the back. And I'm going to go ahead and fold this on the score lines here. I'm just going to eyeball this, put it right in the center. This is one of the side panels. And so you just want to kind of eyeball this and get your border even all the way around. Just like that. And now I'm going to put on the other side panel. Just like so. And then our roof. Now the roof does hang over a little bit. So, does it? More on one side than the other? No, I just didn't have it level. So it does, and it's just a very small, so just kind of draw yourself a line and then put your glue in. Because it's even less than that, what it hangs over. And it is flush with the top and the sides. But you can see there it does hang over just the smallest amount. Okay, so there's that. Now we can work on deciding how to apply the flowers. So I'm just going to put some glue here on the bottom. I think I want it about right there. And then I'm going to do my 2 flowers and then maybe do those up a little. Just kind of play around, get them to a place that you like them. I'm going to add a little bit of curve. Just a little. Probably get flattened out, so I don't want too much. am going to use one of my foam circles for the top flower. I think that looks good. And then a circle. I got these on Amazon, I believe. And this one I'm going to glue like this, kind of around the edge. Kind of pointing towards the corner. Just want to make sure I have enough room to get that up close enough. So I think about there, it looks good. That just jumped right over, didn't it? I think this time I'm going to place my foam down first. There we go. Now for your bird, she can either sit here on the edge of the outside, like this if you want, or let me slide this off. Or you can put her here on the edge and then she's inside. So you can do it either way. I'm going to put her inside. And I'm just going to do just the very bottom here of the bird. And put some glue on her feather because I really want her to show. And the only thing you want to be careful of, I'm going to go ahead and fold this so you can see, you don't want to glue over that side. So there, I've got her up high enough, and she'll just be right there inside the birdhouse. Okay, go ahead and fold that other side since I did that one, and bring in our other bird and flowers, and we're going to do her the same way, but not with as much ink as I did that one. It's all over my fingernails and everything. Okay, so you start with the long blue piece, or whatever color you've decided to cut yours. Then the beak. And remember, the color of the beak is the color of your eye. Then her little feather, her wing. There we go. Okay. So before I put my side flowers on this one, I'm going to put my center that way I know that I can get that on there. Even with these guys. Now let's take that off. Put on our flower. There we are. Then I'm going to glue this. Maybe about like that. And I'm going to put the bird right in there. I'm just going to slide her right in. Just put a little bit of glue there on her belly and just kind of slide her right in there. There we go. And then glue that like that. So put some glue here and along this edge. I can put glue on this one too. There we are. Okay. Now, to insert our piece, we're just going to lay this down with the tabs out and glue that to the side. Okay, and then we are going to fold this down like this. We've got our tab open. I know it's hard to see. Put my hand under there. We're going to bring this over. We're going to glue that to the other side. Okay. It's a little bit difficult with my foam pieces in here, but it is not impossible. And then we are going to glue it shut. So now we're going to put glue here on the tab. Fold it both ways. And then there is our Birdhouse box card. Thanks for joining me.